Okay, so third part in my little sentences. I don't know if I'd call it a series. I just feel like doing mini sentences this week, so that's what I'm doing. So the third video will be about I am going. So if you want to say a simple sentence starting with I am going, that's what I'm going to teach you right now. So in Finnish, I am going is olen menossa. Olen, I am, menossa, going. Olen menossa. Olen menossa. Olen menossa. So this would be the kirjakieli version. So if you want to use the puhekieli version, you would use on menossa. Menossa stays the same. So instead of saying olen menossa, which in theory you could say minä olen menossa, but because olen has the N on the end, I'm making things complicated right now. Because olen has the N on the end, it signifies that I'm the one doing the action. Therefore, minä is completely unnecessary in this sentence. Therefore, you don't need to say minä olen menossa. You can only say olen menossa, and it sounds probably more natural, and it means the exact same thing, because otherwise you're kind of saying me twice, like I'm going, because it's already obvious from the olen that I'm the one going somewhere. So therefore, even though it's perfectly fine to say minä olen menossa, it's just not necessary, if you know what I mean. If you know what I'm meaning. So that's why I kind of dropped it from before. But anyway, back to my original point. The kirjakieli version is minä olen menossa, or just olen menossa. And then the puhekieli version would be mä, again unnecessary, on menossa. So just saying on menossa, completely sufficient, means the exact same thing. Very, very clear that I'm the one that's going somewhere, not you, not her, not everybody. I'm the one that's going. On menossa, because again, the o has an N at the end, so it's obvious that I'm the one doing the action. On menossa. I'm going. On menossa. Olen menossa. On menossa. Same exact thing, used in the exact same situations. Yeah. If you're confused about kirjakieli, puhekieli, I do have a video about that, so you can go check that out. And yeah, so let's go through some examples, shall we? So you would use this in the exact same way you would use I am going in English. So you just stick a place at the end of it and you're good to go. So you could say like, on menossa Helsinkiin. I'm going to Helsinki. On menossa Poriin. I'm going to Pori. On menossa Ruotsiin. I'm going to Sweden. On menossa Skotlantiin. I'm going to Scotland. But it doesn't have to be like a country or a city either. You can use this again as in English, like I'm going to the store. On menossa kauppaan. I'm going to the store. On menossa kauppaan. Kauppaan. On menossa kauppaan. I'm going to the store. You can say I'm going home. On menossa kotiin. On menossa kotiin. Olen menossa kotiin. On menossa kotiin. You can say I'm going jogging. On menossa lenkille. Lenkille, to go for a jog. On menossa lenkille. You can say I'm going to the gym. On menossa salille. Salille. On menossa salille. You can say I'm going to work. On menossa töihin. Töihin. On menossa töihin. You can say I'm going shopping. On menossa shoppailemaan. Shoppailemaan. On menossa shoppailemaan. I'm going shopping. You can say I'm going to the car. On menossa autoon. I'm going into the car. On menossa autoon. On menossa autoon. You can say I'm going biking. On menossa pyöräilemään. Now the ending there is a little bit different, but this isn't a grammar video, so sorry, I won't be discussing the grammar part in detail. On menossa pyöräilemään. Again, I know people are pushing me to make grammar videos, but again, the Finnish grammar really, to be honest, even though I speak it as a mother tongue, I'm a lot of the time stumped about why things are like the way they are. So then it's hard for me to explain why something is the way it is, what if I don't like fully, you know, understand all the rules and why they are. Like, in most cases, I'm just as confused about you. It's just, I can hear if something is right or wrong. So yeah, so sorry about that. But the main point of this video that I wanted to relay is that I am going is Olen menossa or on menossa. So using that structure, you can create like small sentences and you can then have simple conversations, I guess. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say today, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.